Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make ceramic in Astroneer. This is especially useful for crafting things like is the small wind turbine or the first drill mod. Also it can be used for more things, but I'm not going to go through all them. So to make ceramic we'll first of all need to have a supply of clay, and clay can be found on every planet. It can be found as these kind of mud rocks on the ground anywhere on every planet. So just pick out your mining tool and mine it. And once you've gathered enough, it is going to make a ping sound. This means that you've gathered one clay inside of your inventory. Now there is a second option to make clay, which is a much better option for me. And it is by using the soil centrifuge, where you can fill it up with these soil canisters. And with 2 full soil canisters, you'll get 6 pieces of clay. So you can just craft it using the soil centrifuge, so you don't have to travel around a planet trying to find clay. And now to get the ceramic, we'll just need to smelt and fire the clay inside of the smelting furnace. So as you can see, place it inside of these 4 slots, and it is going to make us some ceramic. Once it's done, you can just pick the ceramic out and use it for your own needs. This is pretty much all. How to get ceramic in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.